Good day, everyone. So, today we will have our new lesson in our block 3. So, start with these numbers: 12, 15, 16, 24, 36, 42, 56, and 60. Again, we have the numbers on our screen: 12, 15, 16, 24, 36, 42, 56, and 60. So the question here would be, what are the multiples of 4, multiples of 8, and multiples of 12? Again, the question will be, what are the multiples of 4, 8, and 12? When you say multiples, this is the products of our multiplication table that we can see most of the time when we are having multiplication table. Okay, so we'll have the multiples of 4. The multiples of 4 is or are 12, 16, 24, 36, 56, 60. How about multiples of 8? That is 16, 24, 56. Multiples of 12: 12, 24, and 60. So these are the following, the multiples of 4, 8, and 12. So today we will learn about divisibility rules of 4, 8, and 12. Divisibility rules of 4, 8, and 12. So this would be our aim for today. Students will be able to deduce the rules of divisibility for 4, 8, 12 to find the common factors. Okay, pause the video and able for you to copy or to write the following in your notebook. Pause the video and able for you to copy the following in your notebook. I guess everybody's done writing our aim for today. Students will be able to deduce the rules of divisibility for 4, 8, and 12 to find common factors. So in our activity, divide the given numbers to check if they are divisible by the number given in the table. Then write yes or no in the table. Again, divide the given numbers to check if they are divisible by the number given in the table. Then write yes or no in the table. Okay, so let's have the table that we need to find out. Is thus the number divisible by 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 8, or is the number formed by the last 2 digit divisible by 4? Is the number formed by the last 3 digit divisible by 8? So we will find out the following in this activity. So let's have the given number: 5,160. 5,160. Is it divisible by 3? Okay, if you still remember the rule of divisible by 3, we need to add all the digits and divide it by 3 to check if it is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, let's have 5 plus 1 plus 6. Why didn't I include the 0? Because 0 is no value. So I continue on 5 plus 1 plus 6. So we have 12. Now, after getting the sum of our digits, we divided it by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Because 3, when we divided 12 divided by 3, there is no remainder, meaning 5,160 is divisible by 3. So we need to put yes. How about divisible by 4? We don't know yet the rule of 4. So we need to divide. 5,160 divided by 4 will get 1,290. Is there any remainder? No. So the answer here is yes. We can say that 5,160 is divisible by 4. How about is it divisible by 8? Let's check again by dividing it. 5,160 divided by 8, we got 645. So we can say that 5,160 is divisible by 8. Now, there is a question. Is the number formed by the last two digits divisible by 4? Okay, look at your given number. 5,160. What is the last two digits that we have in the given number? Okay, very good. That is 60. 60 divided by 4, we got 15. So we can say that this number or given number is divisible by 4. How about 3-digit number? What's the 3-digit number in our given number? Very good. The 3-digit number there, or the last 3-digit, is 160. Now we need to divide it by 8. 160 divided by 8 is equal to 20. So the answer is yes. So we can see that the number or the given number 5,160 is divisible by 3, 4, and 8. Now it's your turn to answer in letter B. Find out if the number 3,424 Find out if 3,424 is divisible by 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 8, and do the finding the two last digit and the 3-digit of our activity. Now, I want you to pause the video and able for you to answer your activity. Time is up. So I guess everybody is done answering our letter B activity. So the given number is 3,424. We need to find out if it is divisible by 3 by adding the all digits of our given number. So 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. We got, very good, that is 13. 13 divided by 3 is equal to 4.33. So there is remainder, meaning this given number is not divisible by 3. So we need to put no. Did you got the correct answer? Very good. So how about divisible by 4? We need to divide 3,424 to, or divided by 4. So we got 856. So the answer is yes. The given number is divisible by 4. How about divisible by 8? So we'll just need to divide 3,424 divided by 8. We got the answer of 428. So the answer is yes. What is the last two digit of our given number? Okay, look at the given number, 3,424. So what is the last two digit? That is 24. So, is this divisible of 4? Let's find out by dividing it. 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. So, the answer is yes. How about what is the last 3 digit of our given number? Very good. Look at your number again. 3,424. The last 3 digit is 424. So we need to divide it. 424 divided by 8, we got 53. So the answer is yes. So we can say that the number 3,424 is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 4 and 8. So what did you notice on dividing the numbers formed by the last 2 digits of the given number? Always remember, if the number formed by the last 2 digits of the given is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. For example, we have the number of 5,240. What is the last 2 digits there of our given number? Very good. That is 40. So we need to divide it by 4. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 10. Is there any remainder with our answer? No. There is no remainder by when we are dividing 40 divided by 4. So we can say that 5,240 is divisible by 4. How about if, what did you notice on dividing the numbers of 4 by the last 3 digits of the given number? So always remember, if the number formed by the last 3 digits of the given is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. For example, we have 5,240. Okay, what is the last 3 digit there? Very good, that is 240. So we will use it to divide in our 8. So 240 divided by 8, we got 30. So we can say that 5,240 is divisible by 8. Okay, so always remember too that the number is divisible both 3 and 4. Your number is divisible by 3 and 4, then the number is divisible by 12. Why did it come up with 12? Because if we will multiply 3 times 4, it is equal to 12. Let's try this one. There are 144 flowers in one garden and 1,908 flowers in another garden. Can we make a garland of 12 flowers from the flowers of both gardens such that no flowers left? Okay, let's find it out. So we have the numbers of 144 in the first garden, and the second garden will have 1,908. So we'll find out if it is divisible by 12 by getting the answer if it is divisible by 3 and 4. Okay, when you say divisible by 3, you need to add all your digits. So 1 plus 4 plus 4, we got 9. So to identify if it is divisible by 3, we need it to divide by 3. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So the answer is yes. It's 144 is divisible by 3. How about 4? Is it divisible by 4? Let's find out by getting our 2-digit numbers. So what is the last 2-digit number in our 144? It's 44. So we need to divide it. 44 divided by 4 is equal to 11. So the answer is yes. How about 1,908? We need to add the digits. 1 plus 9 plus 8 is equal to 18. So 18 divisible by 3, it's yes. How about 4? 1,000 908. What is the last two digit of our number? Very good. It is 08 or 8. So we need to divide it. 8 divided by 4, we got 2. So the answer is yes. So all divisible, the two numbers are divisible by 3 and also divisible by 4. So we can see that the number of 144 and 1908 are divisible by 12. So we can make garlands of 12 flowers in both gardens. Now that you know how to find out if it is divisible by 4, 8, and 12, I want you to answer your classwork. Get your workbook and open on page 17. Seat work number 3, divisibility rules of 4, 8, and 12. So that would be all for today. God bless.